Hello. So I have this 1991 Toyota Camry, and I could not turn the heater fan was not working very well. So I went on YouTube, found a video that told me how to take out the heater fan, and so I did that, and it was really hard. I had to take out the I don't know if this is so dark in here, you might not be able to see, but I had to take out the glove box, and I had to undo this dashboard here. I could not get this one place right here. I could not get that undone, but at least I could wiggle it forward enough that I could get the fan out. Now it's not totally out because there is there's one electrical clip that's still stuck on it, but I did pull it down, and I thought I'd just show you. What happened last year was 2 years ago, I got a mouse in the car here. And I found, stupid telephone rings. Anyway, I found a mouse nest in the back, and I thought I got everything, but I was still getting a mouse smell, and it was like something had died. So that finally disappeared, but this fan was not working, so I pulled it down, and look what I've got. I just have to show you this. Look at that. I mean, can you believe it? This mouse put a whole bunch of stuff in my fan, and I'm going to have to pull all that out. Look at that. To clean all this out. But isn't this amazing that some mouse just did this in here? Look at that. So I just needed to show you, and I sure hope, I don't have any mouse smell anymore, so that's good. But I have to clean all this out of here, and you got to be careful about this stuff, guys. It's horrible. And this job, if I had sent it out to the shop, this would have cost me hundreds and hundreds of dollars to do this. So, all right. Hey, bye.